Earth, our home, but what if we had to leave it? Could we live on Mars? The mysterious red planet? Mars has frozen ice caps, a 24.6-hour day, and signs of ancient rivers, but it's freezing, toxic to breathe, and unprotected. From space radiation. To survive, we'd need high-tech habitats, oxygen tanks, and food grown indoors.
I'm like, what's guy up and right?
Still, NASA is working to make Mars livable. Could we live on Mars? Not today, but maybe someday.